Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing of the Apple 4K version. This is the second generation of the 4K version. So just doing an unboxing and looking over the box is pretty similar to what you find for other Apple products. It's a very basic white clean box with very minimalistic amount of writing, no fancy information. It's just bare bones information, and well, it's Apple. They expect you to buy it anyway, right? So yeah, this is the second generation 4K edition. And the biggest feature here is the upgraded remote, because the remote on the first version was horrendous. People would actually, on the slide gesture, select the wrong thing, but Apple's kind of taken note of that and improved upon it here. So going over the unit itself, just taking off the sticky protection. So let's get that over there. It's stuck to my hand, as you can maybe kind of tell in the shadow in the corner. So there's the unit itself. It looks very similar to the first generation 4K version. It also looks like the small Mac Mini, like a mini Mac Mini, if you will. That's what it kind of looks like. I'm not sure if that was always intentional by Apple, but whatever. So information regarding specs, the ports at the back, because there's not many, there's only like 3 of them, performance, and just general information about it. I will have that information in a video review. A link to that will be in the video description, so be sure to check it out. So notice that I'm trying to be gentle taking the remote out, because I'm kind of I guess I got this obsessive nature about putting things back in the box very neatly for future keep. That's just my nature and habit, so that's why I was kind of being gentle taking out the wrap. The remote itself feels a little heavy and cool, like literally feels cool because it's a metallic cover. And that's also probably why it feels a little on the heavy side, but it feels generally comfortable in the hand. And one of the biggest things about the remote is that it was really bad on the first generation. There was a sliding gesture you could use, and it was incredibly horrible in the first generation. Apple says they improved it. They kind of removed a lot of it, but it's still available if needed. But for the most part, you just have navigation buttons. The power outlet cord I just showed you guys. It's just a simple generic power outlet cord. Nothing too fancy there, but I did notice that it will take up only one spot on your home theater power bar, which is great to see. I'm going over the documentation, but there's your typical Apple stickers first, which seems like a complete waste of resources and bad on the environment. I'm not sure how many people really care about those. Hardly anyone really uses them, but I don't know. I've seen some people slap them on their car. So actually, who am I to say, right? So here's a documentation about a quick start guide in 3 different languages. I'm not sure why, but it's kind of weird because we only need English and French here in Canada. Safety and regulatory and warranty information. Again, nothing too fun. And here's a lightning connector to charge the controller itself. Disappointed is not USB-C, and Apple's still sticking with this annoying charger. So it's more cables to juggle around, but I noticed that there's no USB port on the back of the media player, so I can't charge the controller to the media player. I have to plug it in somewhere else. So that's pretty much the unboxing. Again, the review link is in the video description. Be sure to hit the like button. It helps, subscribe, and thanks for watching.